WaterlooWorks is not just for co-op. In WaterlooWorks, there's something for everyone at any stage in your career, whether you're in undergrad, grad school, a postdoc, alumni, staff, or faculty. This video will highlight 3 main areas of WaterlooWorks to get you started: booking an appointment, booking events, and the WaterlooWorks job boards. Let's get started with logging in using your WaIM credentials within the Student Alumni Staff button. Once you arrive on the dashboard, you will find a menu of services that we offer on the left sidebar. To book an appointment, click on Appointment on the left sidebar and select the appropriate group that you belong to. As an example, let's focus on Book by Appointment type, which will present you with options such as resume, cover letter, career planning, drop-in, or co-op consult. Select from the available dates, times, and staff, and follow the prompts to book an appointment. If you have any questions, our front desk is always available to help through our live chat system. Happy careering!